Hello, welcome to the Academic Writing course. In order to access the real-time online session, you should enter realt-time with your password and look for the course. It is called Academic Writing. It should appear on your dashboard. You'll find the main page with the welcome and 3 sections. If you go to the My Desk section, you will find Help Services, News and Sharing, Important Documents, and then the title Live Online Lessons. You should click on the link to Live Online Sessions. Once you enter, you should look for Session 1. There should only be one session, and it should say In Progress. When you go to the circle with the dots inside, it will allow you to join the session. It will take a little bit of time to load, but once the circle stops going around, you will have joined the lesson. It's really important that for this session you have headphones, otherwise, and you work on your computer. Otherwise, because it's a fairly long session, you will probably get very, very tired. And headphones ensure that you have good sound and that we can hear you well. Also, we will be interacting online, so you need headphones and a microphone. Once you are in here, you have controls that allow you to share audio and share video. Raise your hand, and if you click here on the purple section, you will see the chat and the participants. So, and that's it. It's fairly simple. It's fairly straightforward. But if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, and I'll be happy to help you. I would recommend that you try this a little before so that we can start on time. See you tomorrow.